Okay, a lot to think about. We have Josh now, and ladies and gentlemen, Josh Kolsrud, prominent attorney here in town. There are so many cases that we want to ask you about.
Can't wait.
Okay, so here's Josh. I'm just going to go down the list of the kind of the way we have it here. There was a cold case arrest in a case that this amazes me. It goes back 40 years in Flagstaff. A Glendale man in this particular case is going to face first-degree murder charges. James Runnels Jr. This has to do with the death of a 24-year-old woman in Flagstaff, as we say, 2 generations ago. 40 years ago, Ina Langstaff in Flagstaff found stabbed to death outside her apartment in November of 1987. And investigators had reached a dead end, but then last year, some new DNA evidence. And I guess it's a situation, Josh, where new technology continues to unfold that can bring these cold cases to light.
Exactly. And, we saw this at the...
I'm just going to move your mic here, Josh.
Sure. We saw this when DNA first came out, when law enforcement primarily relied on fingerprints. And, then over the next 10 to 20 years, cold cases would be solved from the 70s and 80s that could never have been solved without it, with just, the burgeoning of DNA, right? So this is kind of like that because of the new technologies and what these agencies are able to do with DNA. And we saw this in the Brian Kohberger case, for example. Remember, that was the case in Idaho where the guy, killed the 4 women that were living, including somebody from the valley, and they were able to discover him through a new technique called genetic genealogy DNA analysis. And we don't know yet which advanced technique that the lab that Coconino County is used. It hasn't been disclosed, but it's certainly exciting for the victims in the case. Now, remember, DNA is just circumstantial evidence. It doesn't tell you why the DNA is there.
Can a good attorney get it thrown out?
Well, it depends. Yeah, so there could be issues with the DNA because if it wasn't handled properly, or there were breaks in the chain of looking at the evidence, like every time you check out the evidence, you're supposed to write your initials on it. Every time that you put it back, you write your initials on it. If there's any break in the chain of custody, that certainly can pose problems. Also, DNA, if it's not stored properly, can degrade over time. And so there's certainly going to be arguments about the fail rate of this new DNA technique. So what prosecutors need to do is, I think that the DNA that Coconino County is going to allege shows that this person was at the scene of the crime. But they're going to have to show through other circumstantial evidence, unless there's an admission, that he was the one that committed the murder. And after 40 years, witnesses disappear, memories fade. It's going to be a tough case regardless of this development.
Well, and we always point out, innocent till proven guilty, but it is an interesting development for sure.